Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to appear offline in the Zangi private messenger application using your mobile device. To appear offline in the Zangi private messenger app, open the Zangi application on your mobile device first and log into your account. From the home page of Zangi, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Within the settings menu, tap on the privacy option at the bottom. Inside privacy, toggle off the button right next to show my online status. Make sure you turn off that button over there and then you can get back to the main home screen. Right after you do that, you will be able to turn off your online status or appear offline in Zangi private messenger application. That's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials from Zangi. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.